Hello there. This is just a short video to help you get to IIT Madras Research Park, which is the venue for the workshop. Okay, so I'll just drive along and you can make note of the route. Okay, so we're just crossing Tidal Park. Just drive along. You take the first left. Have to pass through Ramanujam IT City. And this is the IIT Madras Research Park entrance. Take a right and then a left. So you look out for this board, the Ginger Hotel board. That's your identification, and it's in the same block as the Ginger Hotel. This is the block where we have the workshop. This is the drop-off point. You can drop your kids here. There's the Ginger Hotel board again here. And this is where the workshop will be held. So that's where you drop off your kids. But if you want to park, then there's a parking fee for about 50 rupees, I think, for the whole day. So if you'd like to park, the security will help you in a slot to park your vehicle. But if you'd like to drop your kids and then pick them up, then I hope this video helps you. Okay, see you there. Bye-bye.